Rarely in the history of our company have we ever tinkered so excessively with the product and got rid of well-proved concepts in order to be able to get a fresh point of view and create something that's truly revolutionary, resulting in the Dark Power Pro 12, a powerhouse in every conceivable way, chock full with innovation that will usher in a new age of power supplies.
To be able to give you a behind-the-scenes look into the development of the PSU, we are showing you here how we came by the first test results based on a modified version of the Dark Power Pro 11. In order to simulate different load operations without much hassle, additional loads are being used, about 150 watts per block.
Feast your eyes on this beauty. The classy aluminum case alone emphasizes our claim to think only in the highest of quality categories. A particular eye-catcher is the huge fan front featuring a full-sized fan grille that for the first time in one of our power supplies uses the whole side of the PSU to direct cool air into the system. I will get back on that in a second.
Another look shows you the single-sleeved cables as well as the modular cable management, both of which do not only look fancy but also facilitate the installation. But let's talk about the inner values. They are the most important thing after all.
The Dark Power Pro 12 is the most efficient power supply unit Be Quiet has ever created. An unheard of 94.9% efficiency verified through the 80+ titanium certification. A lower energy consumption ultimately means less waste heat, a better cooling efficiency and a quieter operation. But that's not all, as the Dark Power Pro 12 is Be Quiet's first power supply unit with a fully digital control. Something that's still a very rare thing on the market. Here is what our PSU product manager has to say about this.
The Dark Power Pro 12 comes with two microcontrollers named UCD3138A, which are responsible for the digital control. One takes care of the power factor correction, PFC, and the other one controls the LLC and SR, the 12-volt regulation, and the full bridge MOSFETs. In the end, the digital control guarantees that the Dark Power Pro 12 delivers the stablest energy, the highest efficiency and the lowest ripple noise of all of our power supplies. Throughout all load levels, that is, which makes the titanium certification a good investment even at lower loads. Even the fan is controlled digitally and therefore runs at optimal speed at all times.
Speaking of the fan, here is another premiere. In order to be able to use the air inlet to the fullest, we had to find a way to efficiently use the space to the left and right of the fan. Check out the inlet surface of the Dark Power Pro 12 and the Straight Power 11 to see the difference.
Ultimately, we have created a patented tripod solution which puts our trusty Silent Wings 3 135mm fan with a 6-pole motor on top without the need for a surrounding frame. The funnel-shaped air inlets, however, are fully airflow optimized, leading to a high airflow rate and optimum cooling results. Not to mention the wire-free interior design, which minimizes air turbulences and maximizes the lifespan of all components, which is emphasized by the next point, the 10-year manufacturer's warranty that we bestow upon the Dark Power Pro 12. Another first for Be Quiet. Alright, Right, now we have this amazing technology and two models with powerful 1200 or even 1500 watts ready to be unleashed. 1500 watts, by the way, are another premiere for us. What's most certainly not a premiere though is the whisper quiet level of noise that you can expect from us, even when the Dark Power Pro 12 runs with an average load level. You will not hear anything. 1500 watts, 80 plus titanium certification, digital control of the most advanced technologies, a patented fan platform, a full-sized air inlet, 10 years manufacturer's warranty, a classy aluminum casing and single-sleeved cables. And these are just the features that are new in our portfolio. Obviously, the Dark Power Pro 12 is an enthusiast's item, but it's precisely these enthusiasts who accept only the best of the best that we want to make really happy with it. Well then, stay quiet.
Looking for the very best 80 plus platinum rated power supplies? The EVGA P2 series are one of the most highly awarded power supplies with extremely high quality components, great features, and an outstanding industry leading 10-year warranty. Also available in wattages from 650 watts all the way up to 1600 watts. With the EVGA Eco Mode feature, the EVGA P2 power supplies are able to turn off the fan when the system is idle, eliminating all fan noise for completely silent operation. Extremely high quality internal components like Japanese capacitors, built-in protections, a double ball bearing fan, and an extremely efficient design make the EVGA P2 series the best choice for PC enthusiasts. Also, the EVGA P2 series feature a 100% modular design to reduce cable clutter and improve case airflow. Upgrade today and get platinum performance with the EVGA P2 power supply series.
Hi, John from Corsair here. Today we're going to talk to you about the RMx power supply. The RMx is a high-performance, fully modular power supply with a focus on ease of installation. It shares a lot of similarities between the RM and RMI, but there are a few key differences. First off, the RMx is 80 plus gold certified, fully modular, uses a quieter, longer-lasting rifle bearing fan with a 0 RPM fan mode, much like the RM series. However, for the RMx, we've used 100% Japanese capacitors to ensure long life and best-in-class performance throughout its life. And this has allowed us to give the RMx a 7-year warranty. Just like the RMI, it's rated for full output at 50 degrees Celsius. One of the key differences between the RMx and RMI is that the RMI has Corsair Link compatibility. So if you don't think you'll need the software monitoring capability of Corsair Link, but you want the same quality components and reliability of RMI, then the RMx is a great choice for your build. The RMx is available in a wide range of wattages, all the way up to 1000 watts. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any questions, please check out our forums, and don't forget to subscribe.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.